Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to receive money with Wise. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first let's go ahead and open the Wise application. Once you've opened, if you're still not registered, just register and log into your account. But if you're registered but not yet logged in, all you have to do is to log in and you will see the same screen as what I have right now. And on here, you have 5 options, or there are 5 ways in receiving money with Wise. So for the first one, all you have to do is to share your account details to receive money. To do that, all you have to do is to tap on the account that you'd like to receive money from, just like this one. But if you still don't have an account, all you have to do is to open one, tap on open, select the currency that you'd like to open an account from, and once done, it will be added here on your account. And once it's added, all you have to do is to tap on it. Once you're here, you will see this screen, and right below the CAD balance, or whichever currency that you're using, you will see the get account details. That is the one that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap it. Just wait for it to fully load. And once you've tapped on it, you will see this screen. And if you're a new user and you still haven't verified your account, you will see this prompt. You need to follow the steps to verify your account. You need to deposit a certain amount and verify your identity. And once done, all you have to do is to tap on get on account details. And once you've got the account details, all you have to do is to give it to the sender for them to be able to send money to your account. So for the second way, let's go ahead and go back again. The second way is requesting a transfer. To do that, it will be the same process, tapping in the account that you'd like to receive money from. Once you've tapped on it, you're not going to tap on get account details, yet you're going to be looking for the more option. It's right here on the rightmost part of the set of options here. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this set of option, and in this set of option, the one we're looking for is receive. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, unlike this one, as for my account is still not verified, when you tap it, you'll be transferred to a screen in which you can search for the person or the account of the person you'd like to request a payment from. All you have to do is to select that and then tap on request or done for the request to be sent to them. And for the third way, let's go ahead and go back again. You can receive a payment using your email or phone number. All you have to do is to give them your email or your phone number, whichever your choice or whichever is registered in your Wise application, and then ask them to press the option send on the bottom middle part of your screen. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be asked which amount or how much you'd like to send or they like to send to you. And once they've typed it in, just tap on next and they will be able to type in the email or the phone number you own so that the transfer will be processed and the money will be sent to you. And for the fourth way, if you have your card, you can just give your Wise card number to them for them to enter and send the money to you. That's just easy. And for the fifth way and the last way, the question often asked to Wise that can you receive money without opening a Wise account? Yes, you can. Just give them your account details or the Wise card number, or if they have the option such as using your email or phone number, you can also just give them that information for it to be sent to you. Just note that you will have to pay the fee. They will have to pay it for them to be able to transfer to you or to Wise. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.